Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is December 13, 2025, and today I'm going to talk about how to use Ollama to run embedding models and generate embedding for any input text there. So Ollama is a tool that can let you run language model, big language model in your local environment my MacBook there. So I already installed that. There are plenty of tutorial online. And I think the official website also give a pretty good instruction, so you can just follow to install it. I already did that, so I'm going to skip that part. So once you install in your terminal, once you type Ollama, it should be available. Then you can list out the model that's already installed, available to run locally. So today I'm going to use this QN3 embedding as an example. So to get this model, if you on this website, ollama.com/library, you can see all the available models there. So if you want to get the embedding model, then you can search the embedding tag. So for example, this embedding jammer, it's one of the embedding model from Google there. So if the model has an embedding tag, that means it can generate like a embedding from given a test there. So this 300M, I think means this model has like 300 million parameters there. So yeah, if you look at the other models like that, Travels Model 2, this is probably a 24 billion parameter and is a vision model. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But today's model I'll use for this demo will be the QN3 embedding. So to pull this model, we just run like Ollama pull QN3 embedding. I already did that, but let me try to do it again. Yeah, so it's pretty fast because I already do that. If you're doing this for the first time, it's gonna take a while to download the model. You can see the size of the model is 4.7 gig here. So to generate embedding for any given text is also pretty simple. You can type in like Ollama run the model name, which is the QN embedding. And then the next parameter, you can give any text, for example, like hello world. And type enter. And this will send the text hello world to the QN3 model. And right now, in the backend, is running the inference. It will give us like, yep, just like that, a list of numbers. And this is the embedding model that it generates. So another way to run it is you can echo some like a test. So let's say echo hello world and then use pipe. And after pipe, call this Ollama run QN3 embedding. Okay, maybe I did something wrong here. Let me cancel that. Yep, I forgot to close this. Yep, so that would also work. And you also see the next time when you're running it, it's also much faster, I guess, because the model is loaded. The first time it takes some time to load the model to memory. So let's try another example to see if that was just cache. Probably like hello Christmas something. Yeah, it's much faster than the first time. And that's the way that how you can use Ollama command line to generate embedding for any input text there. So to make things more meaningful, I think we need like a programming interface, for example, like using Python to give a text and then generate embedding and store the embedding into some vector database. But that's beyond the scope of this short video. But this just demonstrate like how can we use Ollama to run local embedding model to generate embedding for any given task. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button. It really helps support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Subscribing also helps the algorithm recommend similar videos to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.